Hi everybody, Marco Carvalho here from businesscreditblogger.com. Today's blog post we're going to talk about before you get a business credit card, what are 5 factors that you need to take into consideration. What's not talked about very much in the industry is the 5 things that I would say are most important for you as a business owner as far as what impacts you the most. And of course that's your credit and your company's credit. So if your goal is to build up your company's credit worthiness while at the same time protect your personal credit, then pay close attention to this video and this blog post. First and foremost is the factor is not all business credit cards build your business credit. Many of the card issuers in the marketplace, while they're labeled as business credit cards, they report as far as their reporting policy goes, they report to your personal credit, being the owner, the guarantor. Your personal credit reports are what's impacted as far as payment history, activity, debt that you carry. So if you're looking to build up your business credit, you want to only select business credit cards that report to the business credit reporting agencies, not your personal credit. So you want to check out businessfundingengine.com. With our program UBF, we set you up with about 4 to 5 business credit cards that only report to the business credit agency. So this helps you establish your company's credit worthiness. At the same time, it protects your personal credit. The second major factor is not all business credit cards impact your personal credit. So although some of the cards in the marketplace don't report to your business credit, the cards, for example, in our UBF program, they also don't impact your personal credit. So that's the best of both worlds because, like, for example, American Express and Capital One, their business credit cards report to the business credit agencies, but they also report to your personal credit. So they report to not only business, but also personal. So I just want you to understand the importance of credit reporting when it comes to your credit cards for the business because that impacts you. If you have a business credit card that reports to your personal credit, and let's suppose you have to make a large purchase or you carry debt on that card, that debt is impacting you personally because the utilization on your personal credit shows the business debts. So if you're making a large equipment purchase, let's say a $10,000 purchase on a card, then your credit availability on your personal reports is going to be impacted. It's going to impact your personal FICO score. So that's going to impact your personal funding ability. So if you're trying to get a mortgage or a car personally, that's going to impact you. So you want to get a card that doesn't report to your personal. That way it's completely separate. Your business debts, your business payment activity, everything should be reporting on the business credit reports, not your personal. And you can get those types of cards through our businessfundingengine.com UBF program. Now, the other third factor I want to talk about is all business credit cards are different. There's different types of business credit cards. So as a business owner, it's important for you to identify what types of cards are most important to you. You may need a business credit card strictly for traveling purposes because you fly a lot on business. So an airline's travel card may benefit you. If there's one airline you always fly, there's also airline cards like Delta has its own business credit card for mileage, as well as American Airlines. All the major airlines have their own business credit cards. But let's suppose what's important to you is more you want to have a business credit card because you want to issue to employees and you want to have spending controls. There's cards that are designed just for that. So it's important to first identify what's most important to you. If what's most important to you is protecting your personal credit and building your business credit, then you want to get to the cards that only report to the credit agencies. Now, another major factor I want to talk about is that you don't have to have a business credit file established to obtain a business credit card for your business. And what I mean by that is if you're a startup and you have a non-existent business credit file, or you're an existing business and you never established your business's credit reports, you can still get a business credit card because when it comes to obtaining a business credit card, your personal credit, you being the guarantor, you're going to use that leverage. Your own personal credit worthiness for the bank will issue the card to your company based on your own personal credit worthiness because the business hasn't established its credit identity yet. So just keep in mind, don't let that prevent you from getting your foot in the door and start building up your company's credit worthiness. The last thing I want you to take into consideration and realize the benefit of business credit cards is the credit limit potential. Business credit cards carry much higher credit limits for you as a business owner compared to personal credit. This allows you to have much more spending power as a business. So that's another major factor I want you to take into consideration. So with that, for more details, if you like tips like this, you want to get more information, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel below and check out our blog at businesscreditblogger.com. If you want to get some business credit cards that only report to the business credit reporting agencies, check out businessfundingengine.com under UBF program. With that, make it a great day. We'll talk to you real soon.